How do you put the last 4.5 years into words?
Oh, 4.5 years. We've kind of seen it all in 4.5 years, from being the worst team on the grid, starting the season, to now being the most successful team on the grid. I think it can be argued.
It can be
who has the best car at the moment, because the sport ebbs and flows. But team's done a wonderful job. All the men and women at McLaren have busted their butt and produced a great fast racing car. Of course, we've got two sensational drivers, and it's all coming together. We've won quite a few races this year, but not the last couple, so that keeps us highly motivated, because we want to win them all, but of course you never will.
When you reflect back, just during that time, what has changed? Are there 2 or 3 things that you can kind of boil down and say, well, this is the essence of going from the back of the grid to the front of the grid? And I know that that's a razor-thin margin for most teams. But what, in your mind, propelled you to that kind of success?
I was definitely people. We've got great people at McLaren, but we weren't necessarily working great as a team. I think we lacked leadership when we took over on what we call a quest, not a journey. A journey is kind of how we got here today. A little bit of traffic, but pretty easy. Flying to the moon's the quest. And so it's been an exciting ride, continues to be an exciting ride. My leadership team, Andrea Stella and his leadership team, the way we're working together, the way we're getting the most out of our people. Of course, we've had things like new wind tunnels, so it is an amalgamation of everything coming together. But number one on the list is people.